Before you scroll away, listen to this carefully. Today, I am not just showing you an AI tool. I am showing you a completely new way of creating content and a new way of earning online that most people still do not understand. In this video, I will show you how to create a realistic AI influencer, how to turn that influencer into attention-grabbing videos, and at the end of this video, I will explain exactly how earning works step by step. So please watch till the end, because the earning part is where everything connects. Before we go deeper, let me share something real with you. Some time ago, I had already made one video about Higgsfield. After that video, many of you commented and suggested that I should explore the platform more deeply. So instead of rushing into another video, I actually spent time inside the platform. I explored features that I had not used earlier. I tested different workflows. I tried different types of characters and videos. And honestly, that deeper exploration changed how I see this platform. I discovered things that most people are not talking about. That is why this video is much more detailed. Everything you are seeing here is based on real usage, not just surface-level information. Let me ask you a simple question. Have you noticed how fast social media is changing? People scroll faster than ever, attention spans are shorter, and creators who adapt early always stay ahead. Right now, AI influencers are appearing everywhere. Some of them look so real that people don't even realize they're watching an AI character. These videos are getting hundreds of thousands of views. Some are crossing millions. And the most interesting part? Many of these creators started with zero audience. That is why this moment matters. The platform I'm using is called Higgsfield. Higgsfield is built specifically for creators, not for big studios, not for big brands, but for normal creators who want to experiment, build something original, and grow on social media. With Higgsfield, you can create a digital personality that belongs completely to you. You control how it looks, you control how it moves, and later, you control how it earns. Most AI tools stop at creation. They help you generate an image, or they help you generate a short video. After that, you're on your own. Higgsfield is different. Here, creation and monetization are connected in one ecosystem. That means you're not just experimenting with AI, you're building something that can actually scale. This is why beginners have a real chance here. Now, let's go step by step. Open Google and search for Higgsfield AI. Open the official website. On the homepage, you'll see AI Influencer Studio. Click on it. Now, pause for a moment. This is not just a character creator. This is a digital identity builder. You can create human characters, alien characters, fantasy or hybrid characters. I will choose a human character. Now you customize gender, ethnicity, skin tone, eye color, body type, age group. Every choice matters because the way your influencer looks decides how people emotionally react to it. Customization is not just about looks, it's about branding. If your influencer looks generic, people forget it. If your influencer looks unique, people remember it. Higgsfield gives you more than 90 customization options. That means no repeated faces, no copy-paste influencers, no boring characters. Your AI influencer feels original, and originality increases watch time. If you go into advanced settings, you can control small details, face structure, eye depth, hairstyle, accessories, body proportions. These details matter more than people realize because realism builds trust, and trust increases engagement. You can choose hyper-realistic style or slightly stylized look. Both work very well on Reels and Shorts. Now comes the most exciting part, video generation. Once your AI image is ready, you can turn it into a video inside the same studio. You'll find trending dance templates, viral motion styles, social media-friendly formats. Select the video option, choose 1080p resolution, click Generate. After a short wait, your AI influencer starts moving. Facial expressions feel natural, movements feel smooth. This is the moment where viewers stop scrolling. You're not limited to humans. You can also create alien influencers, fantasy personalities, experimental characters. These often perform even better. Why? Because people love content they have never seen before, and unique content gets shared more. Now, let's talk about what you were waiting for. How do you actually earn money? Higgsfield has a built-in system called Higgsfield Earn. Here's how it works. First, you log in and connect your social account. Second, you upload your AI video to YouTube or Instagram. Third, you copy the video link and submit it inside the Higgsfield Earn dashboard. That's it. As your video gets views, Higgsfield tracks the performance and rewards you. No brand deals, no emails, no negotiations. Just create, post, earn. You don't need a big audience, a personal brand, or expensive equipment. You only need creativity, consistency, and the right platform. That is why this opportunity is powerful right now. So today, you learned everything. You learned how to create an AI influencer, turn images into videos, and earn from that content. This is not a future idea. This is happening right now. All the important links are in the description and in the pinned comment. Don't overthink. Create your first AI influencer today. If this video helped you, please like it. And if you want more future-ready content, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.